8th standard science, unit 20. So the body changes at the puberty. So during the puberty, so the important changes occur in the both the male as well as the female. So the important changes occur both male as well as the female child. So what are the changes? So first one is called changes in body size. So changes occur in the body size. So next one, so the changes in body proportion. Second point, the changes in body proportion. So the development of the primary sexual character. Third one is development of primary sexual character. So the primary sexual character. Then fourth point, so the development of secondary sexual characters. So these are the important changes occur in the male as well as the female body during the puberty. So the changes in body size, changes in body proportion, the development of primary sex organ, and the development of a secondary sexual character. Then first one is called the changes in body size. Changes in the body size. The first major changes, so they occur in the body size during the puberty. During the puberty. They are increasing height and they are having a weight. Both the male and the female body, they are development. So the changes occur in the height as well as the weight. They usually begin 10 and 12 ages in girls. Then 12 to 13 years in boys. So the 10 to 12 years in girls, the changes occur this age group. Then 12 to 13 years in boys. So the changes. Up to the adolescence period, up to 17 to 19 years. At the age of 17 to 19 years. There have been well developed changes occur in girls. The girls. Then, 19 to 20 years, the changes, the maximum in boys. So the maximum in boys. So during this year, the well developed, the well changes occur in the height as well as the weight. During the adolescence, boys and girls gain around 23 centimeter. 23 centimeter to 26 centimeter. So normally the height is increased from 23 centimeter to 26 centimeter. But the height, so the increasing the weight is very sufficient amount. So the weight of the bodies are increased based upon the diet. So the weight is depending upon the diet as well as the physical exercise. Physical exercise, and also they have a average weight is nearly a 17 kg to so 19 kgs are increased in the normal adolescence period, during the adolescence period. During the adolescence period. So the not during this period, they increasing the fat in the female. So increasing the fat in the girls. So contracted to muscles are developed into contractile muscles are developed into boys. So the fats are developed in girls and the boys are developed. Boys, they have a contractile muscles. They occur during this period. So these are the changes in body size. So the changes occur in the body proportion. So the changes occur in the body proportion. The certain body area are some proportional to the height and big is can be seen in the feet as well as the hand. So the highly proportional. So the hand as well as the feet. So they have an enlarged in size. Enlarged in size. So during the childhood, legs are grows up. Legs is grows up proportionally. So the more than the trunk. So the leg is a growth more than the trunk is a body of the individual. Body of the individual. At the time of puberty. So trunks broaden the hips and the shoulder. The boys, so during the adolescence period, the hips and the shoulders is become to increased. Shoulder bones is well developed in male. So the hips are well developed in female. So the main changes, the main body proportions occur both the male as well as the female. But the development of the primary sex organ. So development of the primary sex organ. So the boys and the girls, they are fully functional. The male as well as the female reproductive organs are developed. They are fully developed a reproductive organ, both the male as well as the female at the time of puberty. So in boys, so the primary sex organ is called a testis. It's a well developed testis. So they become to produce the sperm. It's a well developed testis. And they have a length and the size of the reproductive organ increase. So the same time, the length and the size of the reproductive organs become they increased. Yes, similarly, the female reproductive organ in female. So the development of the ovary. So the female reproductive organ is called an ovary. So the fully matured. The size of the ovary is increased. At the time of puberty, the size of the uterus and they have in a vaginal region so increased. So they have in the ovaries are increased and also the useful for the development of the ova. So during the puberty. So during the puberty. So next one is called the secondary sexual character. Secondary sexual character. Secondary sexual character. So the secondary sexual characters. So both male and the female. So they have any physically appearances are changed. A physical appearance are changed, both the male as well as the female. But the male, so they have a development of the hair's distribution throughout the body. Hairs distribution throughout the body. And the facial hairs are developed. And also they have an adolescent voice. And the shoulders become enlarged. So the biceps and triceps are well developed. So they develop the male behavior. Or the same way the female. So they having a high pitch voice are developed. And they are having a breast is well developed. Hips is also well developed. And the hairs are distribution in the genital organ. Hairs are distributed in the genital organ. These are the secondary sexual character, both the male as well as the female. So during the puberty, the changes, 4 types of changes occur in the human body. One is called the changes occur in the body size. Second one is called the changes in the body proportional. Then the development of the primary sex organ. Second one is called the development of the secondary sexual character. Thank you very much, students.